Watch this video to learn how to make these really cute school supplies. Hey guys, it's me, ILVA Craft, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will share with you 5 DIY school supplies for Back to School 2022. I will link a full playlist down below with back to school videos. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at ilva.crafts. For the first DIY, I will share with you how to make a really cute mini notebook. For this one, you will need at least 5 pieces of paper, but you can go for as many as you like. Fold all of them in half and use your scissors to cut them out. Then fold them in half again, and here's a little cool transition. I ended up with 10 pieces of pages, let's call them. Then you will need a colorful paper to make the cover of the notebook. I decided to go for pink because I really like this color. And then I decided to use some of these clips to clip both sides of the notebook so the pages won't move while I use my stapler to stick them all together. It was very hard to do this one. I don't know why, but the stapler was very strong. Maybe because there were a lot of pages, I'm not sure. And then I decided to use some more colorful paper in blue just to add that cute little border on the side of the notebook. I ended up using some colorful markers to draw some doodles on the notebook. I used pink and purple. This part is so satisfying. I don't know, but making straight lines, it's just satisfying. I also sticked a piece of white paper and wrote my name on it. And this notebook is basically done. I love how easy and cute it looks, and it's definitely a good idea if you want to have a mini notebook for notes with you. For the next idea, we will make a pencil case. For this one, you will need this plastic sheet. Here are the measurements for it. Basically, we will make this pencil case that looks like a bottle. I don't know how to call it, but you will also need some clear tape to stick both of its sides together. It's a bit hard actually, but I managed to do it well. We will also make a lid for it, and here are the measurements for these 2 pieces of plastic sheets too. I did the same thing for the lid. I used some clear tape to stick both sides of the piece of plastic together. This next part is a bit more trickier. You will basically need a piece of clear tape. Just stick it around the lid and then use your scissors to cut little pieces on the top half and carefully stick them on the circle. Do the same thing with the other half too, and your lid is basically done. It's a bit tricky and you might fail doing it, but at the end it looks super cute. I did the same thing on the bottom of the pencil case too. And it's basically done. It was pretty easy. You only need your scissors, this plastic sheet, and some clear tape, and you have a wonderful pencil case that you can use also as a desk organizer. It's a pretty cool idea. That's why I love it. For the next one, we're making a ruler, but you can also use it as a bookmark at the same time. It's pretty easy. You don't need a lot of supplies, and here are the measurements for this piece of white cardboard. I used my ruler to write down the measurements on the piece of cardboard, just like this. And I also sticked a little piece of colorful paper, just add some color to it, and used my marker to add a little doodle. Then I decided to use my pencil to poke a hole through it, but it hurt my finger, so please be careful if you're doing this by yourself. You will also need a paper clip and some black thread. Cut a piece of black thread and stick it on the back of the bookmark, just like this, and then you can tie the other side to the paper clip. And just like this, you have a bookmark, which is also a ruler. This is great for your math notebooks because you can use them for geometry, which is a great idea, and that's why I love it so much. For the next idea, we are making a mini folder. You will need white cardboard, and these are the measurements for all the 3 pieces. Stick a piece of clear tape in the middle just to stick them all together, and do the same thing on the inside too. And here we have a little binder, let's call it. And then we will need some colorful paper to actually make some folders inside this binder. I decided to go for green and yellow, but you can use any colors that you like. I used some glue to stick the little folder inside it, and I did the same thing using some yellow paper, but this time making the folders a little shorter. I also glued a piece of colorful paper in the front of the binder and decorated it with some markers and also a piece of yellow paper. I wrote my name on top of the yellow paper, and this folder is basically done. I love how it turned out. It's super easy. You can make it bigger so you can store your projects, but I wanted this one just to store some tags and stuff like that. For the last idea, we will make a mini organizer. It's pretty simple, just follow me. So I decided to make some cubes, basically, but without the top part. These are the measurements for it. It's pretty simple. I decided to do 2 of these and a bigger version that you will see a bit later on. I feel like everyone knows how to make these small cubes. They're pretty easy, and you can make bigger versions if you want to store bigger supplies, for example jewelry, but I decided to do this one to store my paper clips. And here are all of them together, and I will also make a box to store all of them together in it, which is actually a super cute idea. Here I am making it. Here is it, super cute. I'm putting inside it all the little boxes, and I decided to store some paper clips and some tags in it. It's a really cute idea, and it's actually very useful too. Plus, you don't need a lot of supplies to create it. This is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. If you end up enjoying it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I will be linking a full playlist with back to school videos down below, so go check it out. And also don't forget to follow me at my Instagram at ilva.crafts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, crafts. Bye! This is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. If you have anything else to say, just bye! And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, crafts!